wild play dito sa Nanaimo. Yan ang taas ng hagdanan. Diyan siguro aakyat yung mga nagzi-zipline. Basta ako nagbibideo lang dito. Parang tapos na sila. Parang okay na sila diyan Zipline. Basa ba dito sa ano? Spectators, welcome on the bridge. Hoy, where are you going? Do not climb up. Do not climb up. Oh, you cannot go there. Alam. Agoy, Joseph mabali na kung bukto na anisip. Musaka ni dito. Musaka dito. Gusto musaka. Ayan. Bibi. Come here. Kisay nag-cut ni saka. Sino ang ano?
Banji. Ayoko, nakakatakot. Nadidip mo yung ulo 150 feet.
Ay, nako. Ang lalim pala. Diyan ba malalim? Ayaw mo zipline?
Ay, hindi yan zipline.
Oh, ano to?
Ano yan, yung...
Ay, parang tatalon ka dyan sa...
tumbling,
Ay.
tumbling down.
Ah, 150 feet. Ang lalim. Nakakatakot. Nakakatakot. Ayay. 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 Diyos ko, ang lalim. Ibang klase. Akala ko zipline, hindi pala. Magta-tumbling down. Ayan ang mga mga kasamahan. Nag-i-snack ayoko kasi parang lunch na ang hinahanap ni Tiyaying. Maingay sila doon. So yung tinitingnan kung parang hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng adventure yan. Tinalian ang mga paa, din ihahagis ka patiwarik sa 150 feet na lalim ng bangin. Pero mayroon namang rescue doon, taga So mayroon akong nakuhang video pero hindi ko yun i-upload dito sa YouTube. So yun mga tiyaying, napakagandang travel ang nagawa namin dito sa Nanaimo din. Kasi iba, adventure ito dito mga tiyaying. Iba yung kanina kasi sa dagat tayo, nanood tayo ng ganda ng kalikasan natin sa dagat. Dito naman ay adventure. Tinitingnan ko lang kung mayroong mga kasamahan na gustong mag zip or yung magtatalon diyan sa ano 150 feet. Pero sa palagay ko wala kasi nakakatakot na. Try ikaw ha.
There's a coincidence this is a black and white.
They're a little bit
Well, I
big.
think the first like the
Yeah. Make it work.
Behave yourself.
Minsan lang to. Wow. Hagdan tayo. Hagdan.
Mag ano si Queenston oh. Mag-jeep. Asan ang kuan ni Inton? Pala. Sundan natin si Inton. Kasi kahit na autistic yan, pero mayroon pa rin siyang mga desisyon sa kanyang buhay. So gusto niya masubukan yung pambata na zip line. Hinihinga na si Tiyaying. Trial.
And then just make sure he's doing it on his own, because otherwise he's gonna get stuck when he's up there. So remember what to do, same as over there.
Okay. You need to take it out. Okay. How you do it?
No, how you do it?
Because even me, I'm not good at it.
Okay, you need to line up this with the.
Parang hindi alam talaga ni Queenston. Ang pagtuo siguro ni Inton na iyang kauban. Master ka. Master ka. Ay nako, makaihi ang puto. Nakuha ra pud baya ni Into na dugay yung taon luoy kayo eh.
Di bagay lagi kasi
Traliliyo, tralala.
Ibudlot.
Ay. Turo. Okay, nakain ang gigog mayo. Adya laman po pag pinaspasay.
Hinahinay lang, good food. Di, tarungan siya si Mona. Ay, di mo na tanggalon dahil. Ano, dahil na.
Iya man itong gitarong siguro.
Dili.
Hi. Are you tired?
I love you.
Daddy is coming oh.
Madlo ko sa zipline kaya kailangan pa na mong mag
Galileo.
Thank you.
Galileo.
Daddy help me. Say daddy help me. Help me please. Di ang yang sintas di sa yang ano de sa yang shoes. De. Ang yang liston man ko di oh. Tara nga de para dili maano.
Didihara na sa punuan sa kahoy. Wow. Okay. Okay. Ay, to the rescue.
Take a video of me doing the whole thing. See? Oh. Dali na po na magyaw-yaw. Dali magyaw-yaw.
Imo pong pasakay wa pay paniud to. Sayon pang pamukot ani sip. Nga naman siya nakuha-kuha dahi. Abi ni magluksoon to? Abi naman yan. Gi! Go!
Bring it, drag it.
Gi! Wow! Wow, very good. Kayo mong bibi. Sige, go. Go.
Gwen. Gwen, go.
Your hands.
Go over there. Go. Forward. Winston.
Forward.
If you guys want to, he can hold on. Hey, kiddo, do you want to hold on to the black ropes? Oh, you got it! Look at you go!
There. Yeah, just continue. You got this. You're good. You got it. Okay, go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go ahead. Hold. Okay, come. Okay, go forward.
Hold the black rope.
There you go. Yep. Hold on to the black rope. Hold on to him like this.
There. Okay, almost. Okay. Okay, you step in there now. You step there. Good job.
Wow. Just stay there. Ang tanaw ra dayo. Ningkamot siya oh. Oh, diba? Hala, paspas Tarzan roy. Paspas kay Tarzanan ay.
No. I'm not. I'm not waiting for that. I'll take most of it. I'll have to do this thing. Ready?
Pwede na siya musakay diya sa kwan balot.
To ride on the orange
Yep,
ball?
he's gonna ride like yep. He's gonna hold on to it and then have his butt on the bully.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, okay. Okay, go.
Wow! Ah!
And then stay there, wait for daddy.
I would just hold on a second. Hey, just gonna hold on. Hold on 2 seconds.
You put the Queen, the other way.
So you want to walk around it. Walk out and around.
Hey, kiddo. Kiddo.
You push like this. You
Take
turn.
it, yeah, and pull it up. Pull it up.
Other way, other way, other way. Other way, Queen.
This
You
side.
turn
The other side.
You turn around. You turn around.
Yeah, there you go. And turn yourself around.
No, no, no.
Adtuin na lang na siguro.
You turn around.
Atoy na lang din.
Dili, pwede kayo mo balik na dali.
Yeah, grab the ball, and then you want to just bring it up and
Grab the ball and bring it up. Queen.
Good. Go. Turn around. No, no, no. Other way.
The other way.
This way. This way.
No.
This way.
No.
Queen.
Matagak na siya.
No, no.
Turn around this way.
Turn around.
No, no. This way. No, don't try it.
Put the ball out. Bring the ball out then.
The back, the back.
You need to go around.
Mubalik di na siya, Sep.
You walk, you walk. You walk like this. Hello? You walk.
Yan tanggalon, matagak na siya.
for a second. Kiddo.
This side.
You grab the ball.
Go, Queen. You like this. Turn. You turn like this, ma. Yeah.
Then go ahead. Good.
Wow, good job.
Okay, go, go. Continue walking.
Kabalo na siya mo save siya yung kagalingon, no?
Go.
Diba?
Go.
Irog po niya ang iyang kuan harness. Ba? Ba? Good job! No!
You need to go forward. Listen, go forward.
Yeah, I'll call you if anything else happens.
Before.
Dito ang lisod oh. Ito. Para ba ni kaon ba?
Go forward. You can do it.
Good job. Wow, good job. Okay. Nice.
Go.
Wow. Hee. Bibi bay.
Oh, I can't really see them.
Yeah.
Go.
You hold this. Like that. You hold. Go. Other one. Like that.
Wow. Okay.
Oh, there you go.
That goes again.
So, do you remember what you have to do next last time? Can you turn around?
When?
There you go. Yeah. Turn around. You go.
Turn around.
Turn
Turn
around.
around. Go over there. Turn around on the ball. Turn around on the ball. Turn around on the ball.
Grab the ball.
No.
Grab the black rope. Grab the black rope. And then turn it around.
Other side, point. Other side.
Turn around.
Turn this side.
Do you want to show him? Do you want to have him watch you? Watch your
Wait.
dad. Watch your dad.
When you turn around like this.
Yeah, just like that. Yeah,
Look
yeah,
at that.
Just like that. And push it towards the tree.
No, not.
Yeah.
Okay, turn around. Walk. Turn around.
Yeah. And then go around it. Go around it. Go up.
Walk here.
This side. Go this way. When? No. Go. Yeah. Okay, come over here. Listen, look at mommy. Walk on the ball.
Winston,
Look at mommy. Bibi, look at mommy.
walk on the ball. Winston.
Okay.
When you go like
Sige, walk on the other side.
that,
This.
go like that.
Diha ra gid magka-problema.
You go like this.
I can only stand up and
Look at you go. Woo!
Careful. Careful.
Go.
Careful.
You
Careful.
got this.
Yeah.
You
One more.
got this. Go, go.
Grab and then one more.
There you go.
Grab on the side. Okay. On the side. One more.
on to the other side.
On the side then.
Gutom na ra ba na?
Go on the other side. Come on. You go. Yeah, hold. One more.
You got this.
One more.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay.
Yeah, move your hand.
Move your hand, baby.
Just stand up. Don't go back.
Don't go back. Just continue forward.
There you go. There you go. It's okay. You got this. You got this.
Gutom na na.
You got this. You're okay. You're okay.
You go.
Okay, move forward.
You're good.
Yeah, move forward.
Young fun.
Winston, move forward, Gwen. Go over there. Move forward. You can to go there. There.
Tibi po niyang paningkamot to pero ano yun, gutom na manggupo na day.
You go. You go.
Okay, move forward here. There. Two more.
Two more.
You got this. You got this, Winston.
Come on.
One more.
There you go. There you go.
Yay!
Oh, almost. Go there. Up. No, don't go back. We're not gonna finish. Go there.
Go forward here.
Forward.
You need to go here. And Daddy will come after you. There. One more. Yay!
Good job.
Nicely done, guys.
Naamang yung mga solusyon nga iya lang gyud, siya lang gyud ang kuan. Wow, ang kamot day basig na.
How's your hand?
Ah,
So, it's like kung ganit inani mas sasambot lang. Ligid na mo surrender. Kung talaga gusto na ko siya i-try kay.
tuyuing oh. Damay gid siya nit.
Damay sa tuyuying. Nawala ang pagkatuyuying.
This one's easy.
Oh my God.
Just gonna step, step, and step.
There you go.
Step, step, step.
Look at that. Move forward.
You alright, Hunter?
Swinging up there.
Yeah.
Good job. Tuyuing ni pod.
Your kid's doing awesome, by the way.
Actually, he's autistic.
Okay.
Look at him like he's very functional. I wanted him to experience this kind. He's very like, like following instructions. But he tried his best.
You know what? He's doing awesome. Honestly.
Go forward.
And then good thing that he will continue. He's not like having tantrums and then not doing it anymore.
Oh yeah. No, he'll have a moment where he's in distress,
Mm.
and then
Yeah.
he'll like just click, and he'll be like, okay,
Mm.
I got this.
Yeah,
I can definitely see that.
yeah.
No, he's doing awesome. You're just doing awesome.
Thank you. Are you tired, Winston? Are you tired?
Tired and hungry.
You hungry now?
It's 2 o'clock
Get
na.
some snacks and then get some food.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Exactly. Yeah. You know what? Green's also my favorite color. I love green.
Dagan na niya.
You go. Woo!
Oh,
It's a.
It's
Sige,
okay.
gutom na magod na ay. Kapoy na po.
Stand up. Continue.
This is my first time for myself. Nice. There you go.
I can't believe that he can make it all the way there.
Okay. Hugi nga na-record yun na ako ni ba?
Tanan, imo yung record. Huwag yung undang-undang.
Ang putol-putol ako pero wow!
We can do this. Okay, do you remember what you had to do last time? Wanna bring the ball around? There you go.
Oh wow! You know already!
Yep.
Wow!
Okay, put it in your... Okay. Put it... Go around.
Go around the ball. Around the ball. Yep. Just around it.
Go ahead. Put it in your back. Oh. Winston.
Winston, do you remember? Want to bring the ball around you?
Okay, bring the ball around.
It's okay. You got this.
Yeah,
you
there.
go.
Okay, move.
All the way
Wow!
around. All the way, kiddo.
Move forward.
All the way around, kiddo.
Mm.
All the way around.
Okay.
Put the ball all the way around you, kiddo.
Pwede na ni mo sa kaon diya day.
Pero...
Okay, here.
and then you go like that. Move forward. Forward.
Yeah, there.
Di dako man gud ang bulan eh gabay ahang space sampot ba. Di gid siya kabalo bo labyog.
Bring this. So you're gonna switch on a little bit. It's okay. You're okay. You're doing awesome. There you go.
He's scared to move
I'm
eh.
gonna scoot you. Up here. Yay!
Go down abi. Unsa mo to siya?
Nakalimot siya.
Ha?
He forgot
Nakalimot
to
siya
put
sa iyang
the-
kuan?
The harness, the harness.
Ah, tralaling.
After an hour.
Ay, nako. Wakas, natapos na rin si Inton. More than 1 hour. Kasi mayroon pang mga problem na hindi niya kaagad maano. So, balik na tayo sa office. And then, go eating na dayon tayo.